Welcome to a cozy corner of creativity where yarn meets artistry and every stitch tells a story. In this video, we are diving into the world of crochet fashion. From casual everyday styles to bold statement pieces you want to add to your wardrobe. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just for some visual inspiration, there is something here. So why is crochet trending again? Well, people are craving authenticity and handmade quality in a fast fashion world. Plus, with the rise of slow fashion and DIY culture, more and more creators are learning to crochet their own pieces. It is not just fashion, it is self-expression. Every handmade item reflects the time, care, and creativity. As you watch these slides, take note of the vibrant color combination, unique stitch work, and innovative layering. Look at how this outfit blend comfort and confidence, like that open wave summer dress perfect for beach vacation. Some looks feel playful and youthful, while others are elegant and mature, proving that crochet is for every stage, age, and every vibe. If any of these styles spark your imagination, don't be afraid to try something new, whether it's picking up a hook or supporting an indie crochet designer. If you're new to crochet, the good news is you can learn crochet from the comfort of your home. There are thousands of tutorials online that can get you started. We have thousands of tutorials on YouTube. We have thousands of tutorials on TikTok. So for me, learning crochet online, these are the two platforms that I can get started with if you don't have the time to learn from someone else, so that you'll be able to crochet beautiful pieces like this. And don't be afraid to start, because it only gets better with practice. Crochet has come a very long way. It is no longer grammar stuff for making blankets and hats and stuff. Crochet now is fashion. Crochet now is runway worthy. Crochet is for vacations. Crochet is for occasions. You can literally wear crochet to anywhere depending on the design and stitch that you choose in creating your project with. If you try at first and you don't get it, don't be afraid to try again and again, and start with smaller projects like making a hat, like crocheting a simple top, and then you can move to bigger projects. But don't be afraid to start and practice till you get it right. Don't be afraid to fail and start all over. Please give this video a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share it to another person so they can get some inspiration for their next project. Check out the tutorials and I have on my channel, and if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments so I can bring more crochet finds for inspiration. Bye.